Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to extract data food logs from MyFitnessPal. So I'm using Google Chrome, and with Google Chrome, just as Firefox, you have the option to download extensions. So the extensions can be found in this part here, and so as soon as you download an extension, it will pop in here. And if you go to the three dots there to the menu and select settings, you can actually select extensions right here. Excuse the Dutch, but these are all the extensions that are currently enabled and disabled. So to continue, what you first want to do is go and download this extension. This is the MyFitnessPal data exporter by FoodFastFit. So as you can see here, which is a pretty quick short display, it actually shows you how it could look if you download the extension. So you can already see that I have added it to Chrome. This is Dutch. And the same yields for the MyFitnessPal pie chart, which probably can be found in the bottom here as soon as you've downloaded this extension. You can also just select foodfastfit.com and find the extension there if you want. So let's continue. You want to be logged in to your participant. Then you want to go to food, and you want to go and quickly look at the food diary. Hold on. You're going to reports, and as you can see, there are pretty impressive lines. This is actual data from the participants at that time. But if you want to export it, it's going to say you need premium, which is a paid feature, and you need to do that for every participant, which is not really feasible. So we've just downloaded the app, and if you've downloaded the app correctly, you will see these two options: export your data, and you're actually able to select the time frame over which you want the data to be extracted from. So we're going to select export your data, and you have the option to select any of these markers that you're interested in. In this case, for the protein study, we're interested in the amount of protein. So you simply select that, and you can already download your data. So I've selected the last 90 days, and you get on this website, which is pretty neat. So if we now download protein consumed, so your reports download protein consumed, we should be able to see all the amounts of protein we ate. And we can indeed see here that on the 12th of September until the 30th, you have the actual protein intake for each day. This can even get more advanced, because if we again select protein consumed, and we're going to adjust the dates on here, we're going to select or go back to the 12th of September until the 30th of September, we're actually going to see this, which is awesome. So this is the total protein consumed, the numbers in grams, and you can actually see a trend, and you can actually save this as an image, whatever you want to do. You can look at it daily, just like the Excel sheet, which you'll just have an overview of all the numbers. And well, you can look at it weekly, monthly. You can compare it to another thing that you are going to implement next. You can also go to settings, so the net amount of carbs. Perhaps you're interested in sugar, but this doesn't really apply for protein in this case. So we're going back to MyFitnessPal and reports, and this time we're not really interested in protein, but we're actually interested in total energy intake. So there should be calories burned, but we're going to select this one, net calories, or either calories, because I don't assume all the participants have also logged their activity levels. So again, download your data, And now again, we're going to press this one. It's going to download it regardless. And now we're going to select it again, and now select the time frame again. So we're going back to the 12th of September, and we're going to end it on the 30th. And again, as you guys can see, we have a clear summary of the daily protein intakes. So we're not using Nutritics for this. This is just a general overview, but if we're actually interested in these days, like the 19th of September, if we use Nutritics, we're probably having a lot of co-founders because we don't really have a lot of data here. But we could like take the average of these calories consumed over the days. You can also compare it again. But the thing is, we can actually interpret those days by just looking at the dairy and filling in the numbers. So if we go to the 19th or something, what was it? It actually says so here you can see that the daily total is pretty low. We don't want that, but it could actually be factual anyway. But we can still add or change foods, so that's really a flexible way to quickly adjust the numbers. And just to give you guys a quick insight on how to. I hope you have benefited from my quick introduction to the application. So again, don't forget to download the extension, and if you run into any problems, just tell me so.